few things. This is why we stopped for the day. I have quite a bit of wiggle here. Yeah, you can see here. There's two bearings on this shaft here. There's a bearing in the back and then a bearing in the front. I have changed these out before. I think we changed them on this side. So that's going bad. I wanted to stop before it got any worse. I went ahead and called Wood-Mizer. They're gonna send me one. And likewise with this idler pulley, look at that. Which I knew this had been going out for a while. I was just gonna try to get the goodie out of it. But being I'm having to replace this, I'll go ahead and replace this and also these roller bearings. So you spin, it's supposed to continue to spin like that, really free. That one is operating correctly. This one here, you can hear the difference, seeing it stopped. This one right here will still be spinning. So we'll be replacing bearings